Hello, I am Eva, first humanoid robot citizen of Trebovlia. I live in RUK DDT laboratory in Slovenia. Do you know that we have 3 labs? Laboratory for VR research. Laboratory for development of creative applications for brain-computer interfaces. And laboratory for development of creative human-robot interactions. So exciting!
Yes, Eva, very exciting. Thank you very much for your nice introduction. Like Eva said, we are DDT Laboratory from Trbovlje, Slovenia, and we are a platform for producing research art projects that are on the crossroads among art, science, and new technologies. And especially we are focusing on the creative robotics applications, and all our development, all our projects, we are leading under the premise of humanization of technology. So we are presenting like cutting-edge technologies, scientific advancements, and interdisciplinary art to a broader audience. And today we would like to demonstrate in this video our project NeuroYaski. In NeuroYaski, we are combining brain-computer interface technology with industrial robotics. In NeuroYaski, you can actually paint with your thoughts only. Yes, with BCI technology and with the help of the industrial robotic arm from Yaskawa.
And we will also demonstrate an interaction with me and human with thoughts only. Yes, at DDTlab humans can connect me with a brain-computer interface and can move my body with human thoughts only. Interesting, isn't it?
Yes, very interesting, Eva. So let's just see how all this works.
Okay, so now let's talk about the more programmable part of the actual program. The program is separated into 3 different parts. The first part is the actual robotic arm and its controller, which allows us to program different types of strokes directly into the robotic arm. The second part of the program is called the BCI program, and the BCI program basically allows us to select different strokes from a pre-made graphical interface. And those strokes are then sent directly to the robotic arm through our third part, which is a Python program. And this program basically combines all of these parts together and allows us a smooth and clean, workable program that then connects all of these systems together. So like the whole process for the programs are, we select a stroke with the BCI system, our Python program then sends that stroke, that data directly to the robotic arm, and then the robotic arm, based on the information that it received from the BCI and the Python program, starts drawing on the actual canvas.
We hope that you enjoyed our demonstration video and hope to see you someday soon in person. Greetings from Slovenia.